This is a short video to show you how to access your class notebook. So you're going to go through Teams. So open up your Teams app. Once the Teams app is open on the left-hand side, you'll click on Teams so you can go to your classes. You want to click on the class that you want the notebook for. And at the top is where you will see Class Notebook. Once you click on Class Notebook, it'll give you this screen here. Then you can go ahead and set it up. Setting it up is relatively easy. You want to start from a blank notebook. This is the space or the content that you'll have. Here's where you can decide what the student's notebook will look like. So you can change what their tabs will look like. And this is where you want to align it to the structure of your class. And then when you are done, you hit create. And so what that ends up looking like is this. So this is a notebook that's been set up. You notice it says welcome to class notebook. And then when I open this up, here are my students. Here's the collaboration space, the content library, the teacher only page. These are the things that only you see. And then of course, these are your students.